Meaning of hammer.
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 Hammer. A hammer is a handheld tool with a heavy metal head and a handle used for striking nails, breaking objects, or driving objects into materials such as wood or metal. It can also be used for shaping, bending, or straightening metal. The head of the hammer typically has two ends, one flat and one pointed, allowing for versatility in its use. Hammers come in different shapes and sizes depending on their intended purpose. A hammer is an essential tool for anyone who works with wood, metal, or construction materials, and is widely used in many industries.